What are the best days of the week to trade Forex? From our experience, certain days of the week tend to have more market volatility than others. This presentation will help you understand which day is best suited for trading. Monday tends to have limited price movement. This might not be the best day to trade currencies, as most traders stick to the sidelines analyzing the charts for trends, translating to restricted price fluctuations. On Tuesdays, the markets start to move a lot better. This happens because traders have started to form their opinions, and are starting to take positions in the market, making Tuesday a good day to start trading. Wednesdays tend to have the market movements similar to Tuesdays, resulting in bigger price movements. The increase in liquidity makes Wednesday the second best trading day of the week. Thursday is usually considered as the best day for Forex trading. Significant profits are usually realized, as the markets tend to gain momentum. Friday is generally a difficult day to trade Forex. On this day, most traders are closing their positions for the weekend, causing erratic price fluctuations and noticeable reduction in liquidity. Having considered the information we have shared, we can conclude that it's best to trade in the middle of the week, specifically on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thank you for watching our presentation to the very end. Subscribe to our channel for more videos where we simplify finance. And in closing, consider these words of encouragement. The sky is not the limit, just keep pressing on.